hidden TV channel. Today we are going to study how to find the magnitude of a vector, where we have a vector and now we ask to find its magnitude. The magnitude of a vector. So now consider the vector A. That it has the coordinate of x and y. Let us take this one. This is x, this is y. And now x it represents horizontal displacement, y it represents vertical displacement. So now the sum of those two vectors, this one, is a vector A. Means that a vector A is equal to the horizontal displacement x and the y and the vertical displacement y. So where means that vector A is equal to x, y. Means that in the notation of vector, this one is called the column vector form. Yes. Okay. So now to change or to find the magnitude of vector, so by using Pythagoras theorems, the magnitudes, or what you call modulus. Modulus is denoted by this side A, the vector A. This one is a magnitude of A, or is the modulus of A is given the modulus of A, or the magnitude of A is equal to the square root of x squared plus y squared. Remember that about the Pythagoras theorem, we say that the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of the other two sides. Yes? Means that A, by Pythagoras theorems, and now A square is equal to x squared plus y squared. Means that the square of hypotenuse, because this one is the hypotenuse, is equal to the sum of two squares. Means that is equal to the sum of squares of the other two sides. Means that x it represents base, while y it represents height, and now A is equal to x squared plus y squared in square root, and now you can use Pythagoras theorem to find the magnitude of vectors. So now here we have an example. Given that vector vector R, it has the coordinates of 3 and negative 4, and now finds the modulus of vector R. So now the modulus of vector R is equal to the square root of x squared plus y squared, where x is equal to 3 and y is equal to negative 4. So now we replace its variable by its value, and now get x is equal to 3 squared plus negative 4, because the values of y squared or in square root, which is equal to 3, we get 3 squared plus this one we get 4 squared negative in the square root, and 3 squared we get 9 plus 4 squared we get 16 in square root, and now it gives square root of 25, which is equal to 5 units. Means that the magnitude of vector R is equal to 5 units. So now another example B, 2R. Yes? You can ask to find the magnitude of 2R. Means that here, first of all, you have to find the product of scalar and the vectors, and now find 2R, yes, is equal to, and now multiply the vector of R, 3 and negative 4, which is equal to multiply each component of vectors by scalar times 3, 2 times negative 4, and now which is equal to 2 times 3 we get 6, 2 times negative 4 we get negative 8. This is easy. A solution of 2 times vector r, and now let us find 2r. Yes, the modulus of 2r, the length means that we are going to change this vector into scalar, means that we get the square root of x squared plus y squared, where x is equal to 6, we get 6 squared plus y squared is equal to minus 8 squared, or in square roots, which is equal to 6 squared we get 36 plus 8 squared we get 64 in square roots, and now we get 36 plus 64 we get 100, or in square root, which is equal to the square root of 100 is equal to 10, and now units. Yes, means that it gives means that the product of scalar by this vector r, its modulus, or I mean its modulus or its magnitude is equal to 10 units. So now, but this one is how to find the modulus of one vector. So now, let us show you how to find the modulus of two vectors. To determine the modulus or magnitudes between, this one is between 2 points. So now let's take point A. It has x1 and y1. And the point B is equal to x2 and y2. Yes? So to find the distance between A and B, means that A and B means that A is the initial point while B is the final point. If you ask to calculate the distance between B and A, we get final minus A. Means that to calculate the distance between 2 points, first of all you have to take a final distance minus initial distance, and now we get x2 y2 minus x1 y2. This is a subtraction of two points where we have to subtract the horizontal displacement with the horizontal displacement and the vertical displacement with vertical displacement. We get x2 minus x1, and now here we get y2 minus y1. Okay, so now this is easy how to find the distance between A and B. So now the modulus or the magnitude of AB is equal to x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared, all in square root. Because x2 minus x1, it gives the coordinate of x, yes, and the y2 minus y1, it gives the other coordinate of y. And now here we have an example. Finds the distance between, this side is between point P and the point Q. So that's P, it has the coordinate of 1 and negative 2, while the P, it has the, the point of P, it has the 2 and 1. Okay, so now you can find the distance between those 2 points, and now we get here the solution. P and Q, yes, the modulus of P and Q is equal to x2 minus x1 in the square root plus y2 minus y1, or in the square root. Yes. So now x2 means that x2 is the coordinate of the second point. Means that is 2 minus x1 is equal to 1 minus 1, or in the square root plus y2 is 1, yes, minus yes, again minus 2, or in the square root, yes, or in the square root, power 2 in the square root, we get 2 minus 1, we get 1, power 2, plus, here we get 1, yes, we get 1, negative times negative 2, we get plus 2, yes, I mean here we have power 2 all in square roots, which is equal to 1 power 2 we get 1 plus here we get 3. Here 1 power 2, 3 power 2 all in square roots, which is equal to 1 power 2 means that is 1 times 1 is equal to 1 plus 3 power 2 means that is 3 times 3. We get 9 all in square root, which is equal to 1 plus 9 we get 10 in square root. And now the distance between point P and Q is equal to the square root of 10 unit. This is how to find or how to determine the modulus or the magnitude between two points where we have x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 power 2. And now about how to find the modulus of 1 point, we have to use this one where we have x squared plus y2 all in square root. So now thank you students for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to click on subscribe, like, share and write comments. Bye bye.